Wonder how fast intelligent machines run on 5G? At MMU, you'll find the answer. Wonder how creative content and online businesses are mastered? At MMU, you'll find the answer. Wonder how cybersecurity and law function? At MMU, you'll find the answer. Find out all these and many more at Multimedia University, because MMU is you, leading the digital future. Visit mmu.edu.my.
Are you ready to begin planning, strategizing, and coding your robot for the new competition season? Simply register a team and get started with VEX Virtual Skills Coding for the 2021-2022 VEX Robotics Competition and VEX IQ Challenge Games. Experience the fun and excitement of skills challenges while learning computer science with VEX Code VR. You can take advantage of knowledge base articles, lessons, and teacher resources today at vrskills.vex.com.
semangat berusaha unggul di mata dunia. Ke puncak menara dituju, keunggulan cita yang luhur, melangkah kita bersama, bersatu, bersinar permata negara, dikagumi serata dunia, selamanya akan gemilang di persada dunia multimedia. Langkah seiring mengejar cita di hari muka, kan terus maju bersama menuju cahaya ketulusan jiwa, semangat berusaha unggul di mata dunia. Ke puncak menara dituju, keunggulan cita yang luhur, melangkah kita bersama, bersatu, bersinar permata negara, dikagumi serata dunia, selamanya dan gemilang di persada dunia multimedia. Terunggu di mata dunia.
Hello, participants. First of all, we would like to introduce ourselves. My name is Daniel, and
I'm Avinesh.
we shall be your MC for this award presentation and closing ceremony. A very good afternoon itu yang berbahagia Profesor Dr. Mazliham Muhammad Suud, the President of Multimedia University. Mr. Andy Lee, the President of Innovation First International Hong Kong Limited. Mr. Zamri Pawancik, the Vice President of Strategic Marketing, Admission and Recruitment. Professor Dr. Wong Eng Kiong, the Vice President of Student Experience and Entrepreneurship Development, President of Student Experience and Entrepreneurship Development, Associate Professor Dr. Fazli Sahih bin Abbas, the Dean of Faculty of Engineering and Technology, the committee members of MVRC 2021, judges, team instructors, participants, and fellow audience. Welcome to the award presentation and closing ceremony of the MMU-VEX Robotics Competition year 2021. Up next, the ceremony shall now begin with a short dua. For this, let us invite Mr. Muhammad Nazri bin Kamaruddin to lead the dua.
Al-Fatiha. أعوذ بالشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين آمين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين. اللهم اغفر لنا ذنوبنا ولوالدينا وارحمهما كما ربونا صغارا ولجميع المسلمين والمسلمات والمؤمنين والمؤمنات الأحياء منهم والأموات برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. O Allah, we beseech your blessings, long-lasting grace and goodness for our event, and bless us with tawfiq, hidayah, and forgiveness. O Allah, unite us, the mankind, as brothers and sisters, and strengthen our relationship with one another. Let us be your obedient servants who are faithful and comply with all your commands and the Prophet's teachings. O Allah, Save us from feelings of animosity, jealousy, and other bad feelings towards others. Ya Allah, Ya Rahman, Ya Rahim. You are the one only that truly knows what is in our hearts and feelings. We are certain that only you have the power and ability to save us from the wickedness, catastrophe, pandemic outbreaks, and destruction. We pray for our constant security and well being. We are grateful for the grace and goodness that you have bestowed upon us all this while. Ya Allah, Ya Hayyu, Ya Qayyum. Make our gathering here a blessed one, and our dispersion thereafter a guided and protected one. And make not any among us a wretched or deprived one. ربنا ظلمنا أنفسنا وإن لم تغفر لنا وترحمنا لنكونن من الخاسرين. ربنا افتح بيننا وبين قومنا بالحق وأنت خير الفاتحين. ربنا آتنا في الدنيا حسنة وفي الآخرة حسنة وقنا عذاب النار. صلى الله على سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم والحمد لله رب العالمين. آمين يا رب العالمين.
Thank you, Mr. Muhammad Nazri bin Kamaruddin. And now, the award presentation and the closing ceremony of the 2021 MMU-VEX Robotics competition shall begin. First of all, we would like to invite the Dean of Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Associate Prof. Dr. Fazli, for a brief speech.
Thank you, Avinash. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera and warm welcome to everyone. Yang berbahagia Prof. Datuk Dr. Mazliham Muhammad Suud, President Multimedia University, Mr. Andy Lee, President Innovation First International Limited, Mr. Zamri Pawanci, Vice President Strategic Marketing, Admission and Recruitment, Prof. Dr. Wong Eng Kiong, Vice President, Student Experience and Entrepreneurship Development, Madam Sri Kusumawati Muhammad Daud, Director, Student Affairs Division, Madam Nalini Prakasam, Director, Student Recruitment and Admission, distinguished guests, lecturers, teachers, students from polytechnics and schools, participants of MMU-VEX Robotics Competition 2021. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, let me extend my gratitude and thanks to all invited guests for attending to this event. Special thanks to Yang Berbahagia Prof. Datuk Dr. Mazliham Muhammad Suud, Prof. Wong Eng Kiong, and Mr. Zamri for all your support. I would like to express sincere thanks to Mr. Andy Lee, the President of IFI Hong Kong Limited, for attending this event despite his busy schedule. Many thanks for your support throughout the many months that we planned the trainer workshop, the competition days, all the way to this closing ceremony today. So the collaboration between MMU and VEX Robotics stemmed from the same aim and aspirations that both parties have, which is to increase the awareness on the importance of the emerging field of robotics, especially among younger generations, who one day will be the driving force behind the country's technological development. Let me also thank the Robotics Club, Engineering Society, and the Student Recruitment Office for successfully organizing these virtual workshops and competitions. My utmost appreciation also goes to the mentors, judges, and participants of MMU-VEX Robotics Competition, not forgetting as well the viewers who are attending our online live closing ceremony at the moment. Ladies and gentlemen, MMU and VEX Robotics has been working together since 2007, jointly organizing school-level competitions and at tertiary level as well. And in 2017, MMU-VEX Robotics team represented Malaysia in the VEX Robotics World Competition, or better known as VEX World 2017, held in Louisville, United States. So the team made Malaysia proud that year by winning the design award in that competition. So we are looking forward to foster a better relationship with VEX Robotics through Mr. Andy, so that we can help groom more robotics engineers and technologies in the future. So this competition is only one of the many initiatives that we are doing to achieve that purpose. With the emerging enabler technologies such as 5th generation mobile and Internet of Things, rest assured that robotics and automation is indeed the direction towards the future. And talking about 5G, in Multimedia University, we house a 5G training center, which is one of its kind in Southeast Asia, as part of our collaboration with ZTE Malaysia Sdn Bhd, a powerhouse in telecommunication technology. So with this, we hope that we can have more initiatives when it comes to the development of use cases of 5G, which also includes robotics. So ladies and gentlemen, this is the first time that we are organizing this robotics event virtually. So having it done virtually this year redefines the normal physical theme of a robotics competition. So we have seen a large number of teams and participants, and this is indeed encouraging, and it's a good sign since it indicates the interest and passion that we need to build more robotic experts in the future. And it shows that our schools and education institutes are moving in the same direction as we do at the university. So ladies and gentlemen, I would like to congratulate teams who had competed well during the full duration of this competition. So we started discussion in March, and we've had train-the-trainer workshops over the course of a few months, and to the point that we reached this day today. So the competition has already ended yesterday and the day before. So for those who might not be part of the winning team, please do not feel discouraged. What is more important is the experience that you have gained, the new knowledge that you have learned, and the programming skill that you have obtained. So those are the most valuable prizes that you will ever receive from such competition. The solutions created by the participants, we can see they not only indicate their knowledge and creativity, but also reflects their effort and commitment throughout the whole competition. And we are very proud of that. So their dedication from all the participants put into this competition is truly an inspiration to us here in MMU. So competitions and events on robotics and technology will be held annually by MMU, and which we highly recommend schools to participate. So moreover, we also strongly encourage every high school to have their own robotics event to promote more science and technology, as this platform can discover the talents of students and propagate team spirit among them. So we can clearly see the enthusiasm that the participants show for those who are interested in pursuing the engineering, tertiary engineering education. Okay, MMU offers engineering programs. We also offer courses in the field of IT, computer science, business management, law, creative multimedia, applied communication, and cinematic arts. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, finally, I hope the memories that you had gone throughout this competition will remind you of your immense capabilities and potentials, and we are looking forward to see you becoming hopefully an engineer one day. So again, I thank you, Prof. Dr. Mazliha Muhammad Suud, Mr. Andy Lee, Mr. Zamri, Prof. Dr. Wong Eng Kyong, Madam Nalini, Madam Sri Kusumawati, for all the support given to us. And special thanks to the working committee members, and of course, all teachers, supporting staff, mentors, judges, whom some of the judges, most of the judges are actually our own alumni and the faculty, and of course, participants of the MMU Robotics competition, MMU-VEX Robotics competition 2021. Okay, with that, I end my speech. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Associate Prof. Dr. Fazli, for giving out an inspiring speech to all of our participants. And now, we would also like to invite the President of Innovation First International Hong Kong Limited, Mr. Andy Lee, for a short speech.
Thank you for the kind introduction. Hi, I'm Andy Lee from Innovation First. Innovation First is the parent company of VEX Robotics. And as you have seen from some of the introduction, the kind words, we're a leader in educational robotics. Our hardware, software, curriculum, and educator certification were developed to help foster the future problem solvers of tomorrow. Those are you, the students. We are also the creators of the computer program VEXcode VR that was used to compete in the MMU-VEX Robotics Competition 2021. In VEXcode VR, you are able to program a virtual robot and see your code come to life on your computer screen as you applied your knowledge of programming to solve numerous challenges and activities. I just want to congratulate everyone for participating in the MMU-VEX Robotics Competition 2021. I want you to know how proud I am of your hard work and your determination during this difficult period. I especially wish to thank the following distinguished leaders: Professor Dr. Maslaham Mohammed Sood, Mr. Zambri Pawanchik, Professor Dr. Wong Eng Kyong, Madam Shri Kusuma Wati Mohammed Daud, Madam Nalini Pragasam, Associate Professor Dr. Fazli Salah Abbas. And I also wish to thank the Deputy Deans, the lecturers, the mentors, the distinguished guests, MMU alumni, and all of the ladies and gentlemen that are joining us today. I'm excited to learn that there were so many students from all over Malaysia who joined the competition. I'm confident that this is just the beginning of a wonderful and fruitful journey utilizing technology to solve real-world problems. As mentioned, this competition was powered by VEX Code VR. So I wanted to share with you some very interesting statistics about VEX Code. We launched VEX Code VR in April 2020 to help students learn how to program a robot using block-based coding. VR also allows students to progress from block to text-based programming. It's been extremely popular during the pandemic, as educators found VR very helpful when they're teaching remotely. Since we began VR about 16 months ago, we've also reached the following milestones. We've had 1.8 million unique users. There have been 109 million projects run in blocks and Python. There were users from over 154 countries. The average user engagement using VEX Code VR is 1.5 hours per session. That's a lot. And in the last 30 days, Malaysia has ranked number 11 globally amongst countries using VEX Code VR. So well done. The average engagement time from Malaysia was 30 minutes, 45 seconds per user. That's really impressive. So these impressive numbers could not have been reached without your enthusiasm. May this competition and experience push you to pursue more opportunities. Once again, congratulations on your success. For further explorations into robotics, please feel free to visit getstarted.vex.com for more learning journeys in robotics and computer science. I look forward to our further partnership with Multimedia University. Terima kasih, thank you. I will now hand the floor back to the moderator.
Thank you, Mr. Andy Lee, for the wonderful speech. And now, the moment we have been waiting for. We would like to invite the President of Multimedia University, Yang Berbahagia Professor Dr. Maslaham bin Mohammed Sood, to deliver his speech.
Thank you, Mr. Avines. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera and warm welcome to everyone. Mr. Andy Lee, President of Innovation First International Hong Kong Limited, Mr. Zambri Pawanchik, Vice President Strategic Marketing, Admission and Recruitment, Professor Dr. Wong Eng Kyong, Vice President Student Experience and Entrepreneurship Development, Madam Sri Kusumawati Mohammed Daud, Director Student Affairs Division, Madam Nalini Paragasam, Director Student Recruitment and Admission, Associate Professor Dr. Fazli Saleh Abbas, the Dean of the Faculty of Engineering and Technology, all Deputy Deans, lecturers, distinguished guests, participants, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to thank the organizer for inviting me to this closing ceremony of MMU-VEX Robotics competitions 2021. I would like to extend my congratulations to the Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Robotic Club, Engineering Society, Student Recruitment Office, and of course our partner in Innovation First International, IFI Hong Kong, for successfully organizing these virtual workshops and competition. I would like to really express my gratitude to Mr. Andy Lee, the president of IFI Hong Kong, for attending this event. My appreciation also goes to the participants and to the viewers who are attending this online live closing ceremony today. Ladies and gentlemen, as you know, robotics and automation have become an integral part of modern living. Their pervasive nature makes them an indispensable tool for the masses. They can meet a wide range of national needs, such as advanced manufacturing, logistics, services, transportation, homeland security, defense, medicine, healthcare, space exploration, environmental monitoring, and agriculture. Robotic technology is growing rapidly and reaching a tipping point, and is poised for explosive growth due to improvements in core technology such as microprocessors, sensors, and algorithms. In education sector, robotics can play an important role in the development of science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, or better known as STEM, as it promotes hands-on learning and the integration of science, engineering, and creative thinking for the next generation. As such, looking to the future, robotics is indeed an exciting technology. It is in perfect alignment with the nation's aspiration from Dasar Revolusi Perindustrian Keempat Negara, which outlines how the nation would navigate the growth of robotics technology in the fourth industrial revolution. At MMU, our programs have been tailored to meet the needs of industry since day one of the university's establishment, which is consistent with the nation's aspirations. We have introduced numerous programs, courses, and content that are component of AI, robotics, Internet of Things, fifth generation mobile technology, and many others. We have done this to ensure that our graduates are future-proof and industry-ready. In this regard, I'm glad that MMU-VEX Robotics competition was held as one of many avenues to discover new talents in this field. Indeed, MVRC 2021 was a great success, as there were about 380 participants from 55 secondary schools and polytechnics across Malaysia participating in this event. I was informed that the participants extensively applied robot programming using the simulation platform VEX Code VR. We also learned to foster teamwork, create and apply strategies, and use their problem-solving skills to overcome not only obstacles but also other competitors. And as this is an online competition, I think it is more challenging. In addition, participants will also apply their report preparation and presentation skills in their post-mortem. I believe that this competition has served as an invaluable tools in nurturing well-rounded and technically competent graduates who will one day help advance this field in the nation. Ladies and gentlemen, today's event is another milestone in the long list of activities and achievements of our Faculty of Engineering and Technology at MMU. Allow me to mention some of the recent success stories of FET, and I hope you can share this news to others. On April 2021, our Faculty of Engineering and Technology students, Ng Kian Pin, Tan Ju Liang, Liao Jun Kuan, Liu Ziyi, and Yui Jia Li, and many more team members won the first runner-up for the Prototype Vehicle Design Award in Shell Eco Marathon Asia 2021. They are the only team in Malaysia to win an award in this competition. Congratulations. In addition, another FET student, Kang Chun Kwan, won the first consolation prize in Crown Prince Cipta Award 2021 in Brunei on 16th of June 2021. Furthermore, our engineering students not only excel in academics, but also in sports and extracurricular activities. For example, Gan Wei Tian from FET became champion of the KPKUC Open Online Chess Tournament in 2021 on August 1, And all these achievements are the testament of to how we at MMU nurture our students to be highly skilled, talented, and most sought after graduates by the industry. Ladies and gentlemen, before I end my speech, I would like to once again express my sincere gratitude to our collaborator, Mr. Andy Lee from IFI, for working with us, especially to increase the public interest in robotics. I'm convinced that this partnership will be further developed with more jointly organized events in the future. Thank you, Mr. Lee. I would also like to extend my warmest congratulations to all the winners of this competition, and well done to all. And to all the participants, I wish you all the best in your future endeavors, regardless of how well you did in this competition. Remember, if you win a battle today, you may be victorious tomorrow. Likewise, defeat today is not the end of the world. To all students, please do your best to continue on this path and maintain a passion of science and technology, especially in the field of robotics and automation. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Professor Dr. Mazli Zam, for such a wonderful and motivating speech. Now we shall begin the prize-giving ceremony.
Thank you, Avinesh. Before the prize-giving ceremony can begin, let us have a short recap of the MMU-VEX Robotics competition by watching a short video montage of it.
Welcome to MMU-VEX Robotics Competition MVRC 2021. This year, Multimedia University collaborates with Innovation First International Hong Kong Limited to organize MVRC 2021, with the aim to cultivate and expose our youth to science and engineering creativity through robotics practice and applications. MVRC 2021 is open to all secondary school students and pre-U students in Malaysia. Before the competition day, the participant teams must develop a program to solve the wall maze using VEX Code VR. VEX Code VR is a web-based platform that allows the user to code a virtual robot using block-based coding environment. During the competition, every team must demonstrate the program that they have developed. The virtual robot must complete the maze within 1 minute. Before reaching the end zone, the virtual robot can go to different checkpoints in the maze and put the marks to collect score points. For Category A, which is open for Form 1 to Form 3 students, different checkpoints have different score points. For Category B, which is open for Form 4 to Form 6 students, bonus score points are awarded for marking specific pairs of checkpoints. For Category C, which is open for pre-U students, the score point allocations are refined further. There are more than 20,000 solutions to get to the checkpoints and complete the maze. Participants can optimize the robot paths to reduce the time usage. In order to complete the maze in 1 minute, any seconds that is saved could lead to better optimization of the robot path. We are about to see the champions in this maze challenge. In July 2021, MMU Robotics Club had provided VEX Code VR workshop to the participants. After the workshop, 5 online quizzes had been given to the participants. We are happy to give away the merit awards to the teams that achieve outstanding performance in the quizzes. On top of the stated prizes, we are delighted to give away the Excellence Awards to teams that are creative and exemplify overall excellence in building a high-quality program. For the Excellence Awards, the participants were required to submit a report, a presentation video, and a developed program that requires them to optimize the trash collection at the coral reef, with limited battery consumption. The judges who evaluate the submitted entries are alumni of the Faculty of Engineering and Technology. They are Mr. Lee Wanda, Mr. Lim Jung-yu, Mr. Kevin Dong, Mr. Tola Kian Kim, Ms. So Char Lee, Mr. Alvin Chong Ming Song, Mr. Chan Si Min, Mr. Chong Jor Shen, Mr. Fu Swan Yen, Mr. Tan Shi Jia and Mr. Vignesh Kumar. The Committee of MVRC 2021 would like to thank our partner, Innovation First International Hong Kong Limited, the joint organizers, RoboForce, Robotics Club, and Engineering Society, the supporters, Ministry of Education Malaysia, and MTech My Digital Maker, the judges, all the people behind the scenes, and all the participants. All the best to the participants and congratulations to all the winners.
Now, let us watch a few testimonial videos submitted by you, the participants.
Assalamualaikum and hi. We're beautiful and courageous 15-year-old ladies from Sekolah Fatimah Baru.
I'm Nur Adia Sofia.
Zulaika Rahana bin Zufar. I'm Nur Farisha binti Mazlan.
What do we gain from this competition?
We gain knowledge. We gain courage.
We learn to be patient.
And most important thing, how to work together
during this pandemic.
How do we overcome this issue?
The first thing we did was to make a timetable
to divide our time efficiently between studies and competition.
The internet connection problem. We decided to use Telegram instead.
That consume less internet connection. Do we have any other thoughts?
We are aware that other teams also work hard for this competition.
We are hoping to might as well win this competition
because
we work really hard and gave all into this competition.
Well, that's all from us.
Thank you and good luck for the other teams.
Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone. My name is Muhammad Azad bin Nizam and I'm from Sekolah Menengah Sains Semar. First of all, thank you to MMU for this wonderful opportunity. As a representative for my team, I can assure you that we gain a lot from this. At first, the task was quite difficult for us, but then the courage we gained helped us to finish what we started. What about challenge? Well, yes, there were challenges. The main one was the programming. It felt easy, but then became harder as we proceed. Why, you ask me? Because there were other problems such as the combinations between members, the free times, and the pandemic. But don't worry, we solved it. How we do it? With teamwork of course. Besides that, the aids of parents and teachers help us too. Do we fought? Yes, a lot. But that helped us to exchange and create ideas between us. As a conclusion, thank you again to MMU for this wonderful opportunity. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to talk about my experience while joining MVRC 2021. But first, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Jarvis Preston White and I am 16 this year. My team will be representing our school, SMK Methodist ACS Melaka, in this MVRC 2021. First of all, during the continuity of this event, my team and I had a very high hope of learning new things, such as making new friends, learning to code, and many more. Among the challenges that my team and I have faced was the arrangement of time to meet up and distribute the workload. We also encountered problems such as slow internet connections and many more. However, we overcame it by throwing aside our free time and to focus on this competition. Lastly, I would like to thank all the instructors and coaches that joined me in this adventure. Thank you and stay safe. Bye.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Rizky Mizanuddin and I'm studying at MRSM Assumption.
My name is Muhammad Fakhr Razi Birosmini and exactly, we are studying the same school.
Actually, both of us have gained some basic knowledge about coding at our school, but we don't have many opportunities to use those knowledge.
However, when we start joining this competition, we have gained a lot of knowledge
and we would like to give our thanks to the organizer.
Actually, we started the coding at 8 September and we are really afraid that we are not going to make it happen.
I think it is my fault that we are late on making the code because I'm the only person in the team that has a computer and I'm the team leader. So to take the responsibility, I started to design the program as fast as I could.
We also make some discussion through Google Meet and finally, after 3 days, we have completed the code.
That's all from us. Thank you, MVRC 2021.
Thank you, MVRC 2021.
Hello everyone, I'm Coach Leong from Polytechnic Sprang Pride. I'm the player from Team CX. During the whole process of MVRC 2021, my teammate and I have learned a lot, especially in workshop. We learned all the block in VRVEX code, how to use that and when should the block to be used. Really learned a lot for it. Thank you MVRC. There are two challenges. First, it's difficult for us to discuss during the epidemic. Second, if you need to resolve the code, it will take a lot of time, so it will let me didn't have time to focus on study. In here, I'm really appreciate my instructor and my teammate because they always agree with my points, so even we didn't have much discuss, we still can get the result as we expected. Also, I learned time management to solve my second challenge. I can say it was pretty interesting, but also have a little bit boring if you need to resolve the code. But after you get a result, even just reduced by 0.5 seconds, you will just be really excited. So that's all for me. Thanks for watching and hope you have a nice day. Bye.
Is Noriza Dalila binti Ismail. I'm a advisor for team Polytechnic Banteng, Selangor.
First and foremost, VEX Code VR is new to us. So throughout this competition, we gain so much of knowledge, we learn new things. Besides that, we as a team learn how to program certain commands, certain sensor for our virtual robot in order to meet various playground needs.
VEX VR competition has made me and my team member faced a few challenges, such as we had to stay overnight on virtual meeting to figure out how we should complete the maze in the simplest and fastest way to get us winning to the competition. It is quite tough as we need to think outside the box somehow to beat another team. Even though it was exhausting, but me and my team member are super excited to win the competition as we got along really well during the virtual meeting.
Okay, how we overcome it is we will work together. Like example, I'm not good in programming, so I will seek help with my friends, either one of them. Okay, so if we don't know, either one of us didn't know at all, we will rewatch again the YouTube video that has using the link that has been posted in Google Classroom, so we can recall it back and we can learn how to move the robot back.
I just want to say thank you to Multimedia University and VEX VR for giving us the opportunities to participate in programming competition virtually, as we all are stuck during this pandemic COVID-19. And lastly, I just want to say best of luck to all the other participants and do your best everyone. Bye!
Alright participants, here's a surprise for you. Let us have the first lucky draw session. The lucky draw is for the team instructors as an appreciation for their contributions in leading their respected teams. For this first round of lucky draw, there will be 5 gifts to be won. Now, let us put our hands together and welcome Mr. Andy Lee to spin the wheel and announce the winners.
Hi, everyone. I'm very excited to announce the winners of the lucky draw. And the first winner is Mohammed Firdaus bin Ahmad Wazir Sakala Mananga Agama Persekutan Kajang. I'm really sorry if I mispronounced a lot of that, but congratulations.
It's all right, Mr. Andy Lee. All right. Okay, congratulations to the first winner. Now, Mr. Andy Lee, let us spin the wheel to get the second winner.
Fantastic. And the second winner of the lucky draw is N. Shuzalal bin Hamza Sekala Mananga Agama Persakutan Labu. Congratulations.
Congratulations to the second winner. Now, Mr. Andy Lee, you may spin the wheel to get our third winner.
And the third winner of the lucky draw, Mazir bin Jamian. Thank you so much.
Okay, congratulations to the third winner. Now let us have our fourth winner. And Mr. Andy Lee, you may spin the wheel.
And the fourth winner of the lucky draw, congratulations to R. Raziuddin bin Mohammed.
Congratulations to the fourth winner. Now let us have our fifth lucky draw winner. Mr. Andy Lee, you may spin the wheel.
And a big congratulations to Nordiana Bintu Abdullah.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Andy Lee, for helping us with spinning the wheel. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you all have been waiting for, which is the prize giving ceremony, shall now begin. The prizes will be given starting from category A all the way to category C. First up, for category A, which is participated by Form 1 all the way to Form 3 students, I would like to invite Professor Dr. Wong Eng Kiong, the Vice President of Student Experience and Entrepreneurship Development, to announce the winners.
Thank you, Daniel. So for the first merit award goes to SMK Tinggi St. David Team A58, led by Mr. Cheng Bun Hao. Congratulations. Okay, first merit award goes to SMK Tinggi St. David, led by Mr. Cheng Bun Hao. Congratulations. The second merit award goes to SMJK Tinggi China, Malacca, Team A26, led by Mr. Pei Kok Hua. Congratulations. The third merit award goes to SMK Tinggi Batu Bahat, Team A54, led by Mr. Nyo Shunzi. Well done. Good job. Okay, and fourth merit award goes to College Yayasan Saad, Team A2, led by Mr. Muhammad Faisal bin Mahmud. Okay, very well done. Okay, next, we proceed to the Excellent Award. The first Excellence Award goes to Sekolah Tun Fatima, Team A59, led by Mr. Mat Kamil Deraman. Congratulations. Second Excellent Award goes to SMK Tinggi St. David, Team A58, led by Mr. Cheng Bun Hao, with 3 team members. Congratulations to all. Okay, next is the Consolation Award goes to MRSM Kemenche, Team A8, led by Mr. Muhammad Azlan bin Muhammad. Congratulations. The second Consolation Award goes to Malay College Kuala Kangsar, Team A5, led by Mr. Muhammad Taizil bin Yusuf. Congratulations, MCKK. And the second runner-up goes to SMK Lelaki Methodist, Team A65, led by Miss Nikno Sharifah binti Ismail. And the first runner-up goes to Sekolah Indonesia Kuala Lumpur, Team A16, led by Mr. Aditya Wirawan. Congratulations to the team members. And the champion goes to SMK Sultan Ismail Johor, Team A61, led by Miss Wan Nurazila binti Wan Azmi. Okay, congratulations to all.
Okay. Thank you, Professor Dr. Wong Eng Kiong. Up next, I would like to invite Mr. Zamri Pawan Chik, the Vice President of Strategic Marketing, Admission and Recruitment, to announce the winners for Category B, participated by students from Form 4 till Form 6.
Thank you, Daniel. Hi, everyone. Okay, I'm now will announce the winners for Category B, Form 4 to Form 6 students. The first Merit Award goes to SBP Integrasi Kuantan Team B13 led by Mr. Ahmad Shahril bin Muhammad. Congratulations. Okay, next. The second Merit Award goes to SM Imtiaz Ulul Albab Melaka, Team B18, led by Miss Nur Shahida binti Muhammad. Well done to the team. Okay, now next to the third Merit Award goes to SMK Sultan Ismail, Johor, Team B59, led by Miss Tan Nur Razila binti Wan Azmi. Congratulations. Okay, next, the fourth Merit Award goes to SMA Persekutuan Labu Team B22 led by Mr. Suhailal bin Hamzah. Well done. Okay, next, we have the first Excellence Award goes to SMS Kuching Team B61 led by Miss Siti Zareh binti Abdul Wahab. Congratulations to the team. Now, we go to the second Excellence Award goes to MRSM Muazzam Shah, Team B9, led by Miss Rohaiza binti Zainul. Congratulations and well done to the team. Okay, let's go next. We have the first Consolation Award goes to SMA Persekutuan Kajang, Team B19, led by Mr. Muhammad Firdaus bin Ahmad Wazir. Well done. Okay, next. The second Consolation Award goes to... the second runner-up goes to SMK Jalan 4, Team B32, led by Mr. Muhammad Rizal bin Haji Mansur. Congratulations to the team. Now, we go to the first runner-up goes to Sekolah Indonesia Kuala Lumpur, Team B14, led by Mr. Adia Wirawan. Congratulations to the school. Okay, at the moment that we're waiting for, can we have the drummer? So the champion for category B goes to SMK Sultan Ismail Johor, Team B59, led by Miss Wan Nur Razila binti Wan Azmi. Congratulations. Well done, the team.
All right, well done. Thank you, Mr. Zamri, for presenting our winners for category B. And for category C, which is participated by pre-university students, I would like to invite Yang Berbahagia, Professor Dr. Mazliham, the President of Multimedia University, to announce the winners.
Thank you, Daniel. So for this category C, for the first Merit Award, the first Merit Award goes to Sekolah Indonesia Kuala Lumpur, Team C10, led by Mr. Bagus Mahendra Wikaksono. Congratulations to the team member Muhammad Hanif Nurrifki Wikaksono, Najmi Murwa, Mufaza Kusnanda, and Nur Shafawati. Congratulations. The second Merit Award goes to Polytechnic Seberang Perai, Team C6, Mentor Muhammad Mr. Muhammad Ashraf bin Muhammad Ashad, team member Peh Jiajin, Sim Teng Hong and Boon Yifat. Congratulations. For the third Merit Award, goes to Team C8, Polytechnic Seberang Perai, led by TS Adzrul Haifai Syam bin Muhammad Jamil. bin Muhammad Jamil. Loh Kiang Tin, Ko Chun Leong, Siti Fatimah Zahra binti Roslan. Okay. And the fourth Merit Award goes to Team C1 from Polytechnic Banting Selangor, led by Madam Norisa Dalila binti Ismail. Team members Shaza Dania binti Azmi, Akmal Hakim bin Azmi, and Siti Nur Shamira binti Muhammad Sobri. Next award, the first excellent award. The first excellent award goes to Team C8, Polytechnic Seberang Perai, TS Azul Haifai Syam bin Muhammad Jamil. Congratulations to the team member Lau Kiai Ting, Ko Chun Leong, and Siti Fatimah Az-Zahra binti Roslan. The second excellent award goes to Team C4, Polytechnic Tuanku Sultanah Bahia, led by Mr. Muhammad Amini bin Muhammad Ahmad Sayuti. Team members Muhammad Ishad bin Ibrahim, Muzhir Durani bin Muz Gaddafi, and Firdaus Rashidin bin Ibrahim. Okay, now the next award is First Consolation Award. So the first Consolation Award goes to Team C6, Polytechnic Seberang Perai. Mentor Mr. Muhammad Ashraf bin Muhammad Arshad. Team members Peh Jiajin, Sim Tiong Hong, and Bong Yi Fai. Second Consolation Award goes to Team C2, Polytechnic Tuanku Sultanah Bahia, led by Mr. Mahathir bin Jamian. Team members Hanif bin Jamian, Muhammad Shahrul Aizat bin Shariful Zaman, and Muhammad Nabil Fikri bin Hamdan. Okay, so we go to the second runner-up, right? So for second runner-up goes to Team C5, Polytechnic Tuanku Sultanah Bahia, led by TS Husaini Azhar bin Muhammad Adam. Team members Nedumaran anak lelaki Kaliapan Muhammad Arash bin Muhammad Ismawir and Abdul Rahman bin Zabidi. Now, the first runner-up goes to Sekolah Indonesia Kuala Lumpur Team C10, led by Mr. Bagus Mahendra Wikaksono. Team member Muhammad Hanif Nurifki Wikaksono, Nazmi Maura Faza Kusnanda, and Nur Shafawati. And the moment that we have been waiting for, the champion for category C goes to Team C8, Polytechnic Seberang Perai. Mentor TS Azrul Haifai Syam bin Muhammad Jamil. Team member Lau Kian Ting, Ko Chun Leong, Siti Fatimah Zahra binti Roslan. Congratulations.
Thank you, Professor Dr. Mazli Ham, for presenting our Category C winners. Congratulations to all of the winners. Simply amazing job on your achievement. And as for the rest, do not fret, keep striving for success. And as for the instructor, here's a surprise for you. There's another lucky draw session. Now, let us put our hands together and welcome the Dean of Faculty and Engineering and Technology, Associate Professor Dr. Fazli Saleh, to spin the wheel and announce the lucky draw winners.
Okay, thank you, Daniel. So let's see who the lucky ones. Okay, for the first one, okay, can spin now. Okay, congratulations Muhammad Syaril bin Muhammad Fauzi, Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Kubur Panjang. Okay, congratulations. Okay, let's have the second spin. Alright, okay, now we have the winner Nur Hafizah binti Suhari from Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Tinggi Batu Pahat. Congratulations. Okay, can have the third spin. Okay, let's see who gets it this time. Nur Hanani binti Abdul Rahman from Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Skudai. Well done, well done. Okay, next, this is the fourth one, right? Okay, can start spinning. Okay, let's see who's the lucky one this time. Alright, so Elma Dura binti Yahya from Sekolah Menengah Kebangsaan Taman Mutiara Rini 2. Congratulations, Elma Dura. So we have the final one. Okay, so this is the final chance. Let's see who gets it this time. Okay, can start to spin. And the lucky person is Nur Syahida binti Muhammad, Sekolah Menengah Imtiaz Ulul Albab, Melaka. Okay, congratulations Nur Syahida. Okay, back to you, Danny. Congratulations to our winners.
Alright, thank you Dr. Fazli for presenting our lucky draw winners. Okay, that is all participants. Thank you all for coming to this 2021 MMU-VEX Robotics competition, award presentation and closing ceremony. Stay safe out there and hope to see you again next year. Bye-bye.